Comparing scale diagrams practice. Identify which diagrams are scale diagrams shown by S of diagram A, B, C, and D of the original blue shape shown by O. Two sides of the scale diagram have to have the exact scale factor as the original diagram. Otherwise, this is not a scale diagram. I start by looking at the longest side of all the diagrams, and I indicate this using a gray line. Then I'll take the short side from the longest side, and I indicate that using a black line. We'll start by comparing diagram A to the original. Scale factor is equal to scale over original. We'll take the short side from the longest side first. In diagram A and the original, they both have a value of 1. So scale factor equals scale over original, which is equal to 1 over 1, which gives me a scale factor of 1. We'll now compare the longest sides of diagram A and the original. The long side of diagram A will have a value of 2.5. The long side of diagram O will have a value of 3. So scale factor is equal to 2.5 divided by 3, and that gives me a scale factor of 0.83 repeating. Diagram A is not a scale of the original blue shape, as the scale factors are different. We'll now compare diagram B to the original. The short side of diagram B is 1.5. The short side of diagram O is 1. So scale factor is equal to 1.5 divided by 1, and that gives me a scale factor of 1.5. We'll now compare the longest side, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 0.5. The scale is 4.5 and 1, 2, 3. So scale factor is equal to 4.5 divided by 3, and that's a scale factor of 1.5. Diagram B is an enlargement of the original diagram with a scale factor of 1.5. We'll now look at diagram C. The short side from the longest side has a value of 2. Short side of the original has a value of 1. Scale factor is equal to 2 over 1, and that gives us a scale factor of 2. We'll now take the longest side of each of the diagrams, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, divided by 1, 2, 3. So the scale is 6, the original is 3. Scale factor is equal to 6 divided by 3, and that gives us a scale factor of 2. So diagram B is an enlargement of the original with a scale factor of 2. And finally, we'll do diagram D. The short side from the longest side of diagram D is 1.5. Short side of the original is 1. So scale factor is equal to 1.5 divided by 1, which is a scale factor of 1.5. And now we'll take the longest side of diagram D in the original. The long side of diagram D is 1, 2, 3, 4. The original is 1, 2, and 3. So scale factor is equal to 4 divided by 3. So the scale factor is 1.3 repeating. So diagram D is not a scale of the original blue shape, as the scale factors are different.